artistic family to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Glad you guys are here. So today I have a 10 by 20 inch canvas. I also have some plastic. I am going to go in with my paint, and then I'm just going to use the plastic to just lay on top of it to make some impressions, pull it right off, not waiting for it to dry. And I also have some strips that I've cut up by just applying some parchment paper over the top of this paper here, which is like tissue paper. It makes it easier. And then also, if I don't want to use a full sheet, which I'm not, I don't need to. So I'm excited. I love using the gold leaf. I have used it a few times. So if you're not caught up, check out my abstract painting and textured art playlist. So I have quite a few tools here today, guys. I'm using some neutrals mixed with some neutral soft warm colors mixed with my favorite classic metallics, some silver and gold. And I am looking for a vertical profile, but we're going to start off horizontal for the base. So let's go ahead and get going. So what I'm doing on the background is creating some texture and structure without using a texture medium. So I'm just blending my paints on the canvas rather than mixing them up and then putting them on the canvas. I enjoy doing that, and I just love seeing color nuances just come to life on the canvas. So as I mentioned, I wanted this piece to be simplistic, modern elegance as usual, and because there's negative space, is one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure that I had some visual interest in the background so that the painting didn't look static or stale or bland. And you can create texture in a variety of ways. And if you haven't caught up, you can check out my textured playlist and you'll see some tutorials and all kinds of different texture mediums in that list. So I will continue letting you guys watch the video. Please like, share, and subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the close-up.